Like if the image image is not so good, then it could not recognize. So it has to be very clear. Then only it will be able as converting into speech. So now we have only for text. So it will just display you text what the sign shows. So we want to upgrade it into speech such that if I show a sign, it will automatically tell what is the sign is.
Okay. Okay, sir. Is it sir?
So yeah. So I have a curious to know, like, what inspired this innovation, and was it based on gap in the market, user needs, or technological advancements?
Sir, I have gone through so many things. Like first, what project is really need? Like everyone are making apps, web development, going into so many streams that are already existing. So
Okay.
I found that something unique should be done, which is actually needed in the current situation, and which is actually not really existing in the market currently. So I thought of this. So this could be a very innovative and interesting topic to consider.
How does it align with the current industry trends or future predictions?
So actually, every human cannot learn the sign language. It is a drawback we have to understand.
Mhm.
So this drawback becomes an pro to us, so that we can easily make other people to understand. So people, when they want to communicate with the deaf people, they
Mhm.
can use this. So this will bridge the communication gap between the two different worlds.
Okay. So, are there any logical or technical challenges while demonstration?
Yes, sir. I have actually, this is the second time that I'm making this project. I have
Mhm.
actually started with letters, alphabets from A
Okay.
to Z. So
Okay.
there is a little issue in processing images, and I
Mhm.
have gone for the second time for making this project run. And this time it was successful for 3 words, and I'm going to upgrade this further into the words and sentences into alphabets.
Thank you. I'm done with my questions.
Okay. Sir, any other questions?
No.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, team. Thank you, team Handspeak,
Yeah, thank
for
you.
presenting insightful presentation.
Thank you for giving us this opportunity, and I'm very happy to be here. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Pooja ma'am, next team.
Our next, our next team is ID Vault, and their title is Personal Identity Security Using Blockchain and Cryptographic Techniques for Privacy Protection, from Symbiosis Institute of Technology, Nagpur. Please begin your presentation.
Hello, ma'am. Actually, one of my teammate is in the waiting room. Akshat Duggal. Can you please let him in?
Okay.
He's in the waiting room.
Actually, someone is waiting. Okay, but please on your camera.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
He's in the waiting room.
He's not in the waiting list.
Just a second. I'll inform him. Inform Akshat that
Yes.
please join the meeting.
Start your presentation.
Yeah. Is the screen visible?
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
visible.
Yeah.
Srishti, please.
Okay. So good morning, everyone. My name is Shrishti, and my teammates are Akshay Duggal and Raghav Parkar, and we are from Symbiosis Institute of Technology in Nagpur, and we are honored to present our project titled "Personal Identity Security Using Blockchain and Cryptographic Techniques." privacy protection. In a world
Srishti,
where
please on your camera.
yes, ma'am.
Did Akshat join the meeting?
Thank you. Yeah, he
Hello.
joined.
So, in a world where digital services are woven into the fabric of our daily lives, the need for secure, privacy centric addresses these challenges head on, proposing a powerful solution built on blockchain and advanced cryptography. Now, Raghav will proceed.
Basically, let's go to the introduction. Identity verification is a central basically identity verification is a central to every major digital platform, whether it is banking, healthcare, e-commerce, government, or education. Yet this system are typically centralized, meaning basically all this system are centralized, which is handled by a big authority. So these centralized system are means these centralized system creates a dangerous vulnerability. So to solve this, we basically we the blockchain system is a decentralized system. So to overcome this centralized system, we give it a decentralized platform. Basically, as you can see, the one breach can compromise millions of user privacy concern. Users have no insight or control over how their data is stored or shared, and the user disimprovement identities are managed by the third parties, not by the individual themselves. And the scalability and the compatibility, most system are dangerous are not designed to work across different platforms. So what if we could build a system where users own their identity, data is encrypted, decentralized, and privacy is preserved in the design? Basically, the objective and motivation of a project is to design and implement a secure identity system where user can manage the digital identity independently without relying on a central authority. Our motivation was the rising misuse of the personal data, the lack of the transparency in how identity data is handled, and the need to empower individuals, putting them in the control of their identity journey. So the related work, please, Srishti.
Okay, so we conducted an extensive review of current solution using blockchain cryptographic techniques framework. Several systems like zero knowledge proof, ledger, smart contract. Zero knowledge proof is like that we can verify our age like it is 18 without showing any documents, and we found clear gaps like limited scalability, especially with blockchain congestion, weak integration of preserving tools with decentralization, like minimal user control, a poor supporter of real-time application. So our solution address these limitations and maintain these gaps and offer a more holistic approach. So we also make a research paper, conducted this research and research review, and we made the existing, and we also make a comparison of existing solution and our solution. Next, Akshat will explain.
Good afternoon, everyone. So let us look at the proposed system. We have used techniques such as zero knowledge proofs, ring signatures, stealth addresses, homomorphic encryption, and smart. So this approach ensures that privacy and security is held paramount without sacrificing speed or taking away control from the user. Next, we'll have a look at the system architecture, which is divided into first one is user layer, where identity inputs are captured so users give their identity details. Then the IoT gateway ensures secure data relay from users' devices to the servers. Then application layer hosts the UI, APIs, and manages the digital signatures. Then the smart contract layer, where smart contract is deployed for automated verification. And we have the network layer, where the network So this hash data is actually the IPFS file hash of the file user has uploaded, which is stored on the IPFS interplanetary file system, and we are storing the hash on the blockchain. Next, we'll have a look at the working mechanism. So during registration, the user submits their identity details, such as the wallet address, and which is encrypted using zero knowledge proof and stored as hash entries on the blockchain. Then during authentication, the system verifies the identity without any knowledge of that zero knowledge proof we have used, because then even if the blockchain is inspected, no actual personal data is visible, so privacy is preserved. This is one of the advantages of blockchain. Then we'll have a look at how it is implemented. So in the front end, we have a basic interface. On the back end, we will use ASP.NET with APIs to handle logic and processing. For database, we'll use Microsoft SQL. For blockchain, we have testing. We will start with a private Ethereum network created via Ganache, and smart contracts are written in Solidity to make it compatible with Ethereum. And we have tested it with Visual Studio. So this stack is quite convenient and allows validation and encrypted communication between layers.
Srishti?
So in result and performance, we will see that our privacy score is 95%, but in the traditional system, it is nearly 80 to 85%. And the verification time is 120 milliseconds in our system, whereas in traditional system, it is 400 to 800 milliseconds. And the storage is 30 MB, whereas in traditional system is 100 MB plus. So the privacy score is our system achieves an outstanding 85%, 95% privacy, which is significantly higher than the industry average of 80 to 85%. ये इंडिकेट करता है कि हमारा जो डेटा है वो रिमेन्स हाईली कॉन्फिडेंशियल विद minimal risk of exposure, and verification time offers an exceptionally faster verification time, ensuring that users do not experience noticeable delays during login or validation process. And the storage is sensitive and bulky data है वो off chain है, while keeping essential references and hashes on chain, uh, which is 30 MB in our system, and in traditional it is 100 MB plus.
So now we move to the future work. Basically, we are already looking ahead to enhance this system further. Integration layer, two scaling solution like ZK rollups, ZK STARKS for more advanced and non-interactive proofs, incorporating AI for fraud detection, identity anomalies in identity use, and eventually we aim to integrate with the smart cities and cities and IoT, allowing the secure identity for device and sensors. We also plan to include uh, quantum written cryptography for further proof of the system. Conclusion.
So our system solves key issues around identity management by embracing the decentralization, cryptographic security, and automation. It empowers users, prevent the misuse of data, and achieve better privacy. Uh, Thank you for listening our presentation. We are Team ID Vault, and we are open for any questions, suggestions.
Can you show execution for this project? Do you have any execution? Have you executed?
Yes, sir. Actually, we are working on it, but we have a basic demo of how the system will look like. So I'll share my screen now. So if please
The
let me
screen
know if it
visible,
is.
sir? The panel, the screen is visible.
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, so for registration, we will use the MetaMask wallet. We have not implemented that yet, but this is how check. It will not be able to check whether the document exists or not if I upload the wrong document. Whereas if I upload the correct document, it will be able to verify. And the scan QR code functionality will also be working soon. So this is how it will look like. We are still working on it. We have not completed the project yet.
Yes, is it your project or you are showing someone's project? You are looking like you're saying looking like have you executed the project?
No, sir, not all functionalities are working yet. We are still working on it.
Right. Then why you have chosen that blockchain technology for this? Is there any specific reason for it?
Raghav.
Sir, basically, blockchain is a secure system. As we know, it is a decentralized system and it is not centralized. So, blockchain is very secure as compared to other system we are using currently. And in many countries, blockchain have been implemented, like for cryptography and for that Bitcoin exchange. We use the blockchain. Basically, all the hash value is stored in the blockchain, and user can access the by matching the hash value he can access his document. So it is a safe and secure thing as compared to other centralized system.
What are the cryptography algorithms you are using in this?
Sir, we have used the secure hashing algorithm SHA for storing the hash of the IPFS on the blockchain.
Okay. What is meant by ring signature?
Sir, a ring signature which we have implemented is for example, there are many people in a ring and they have all signed on a file, or for it is for authentication. So if all the people have verified it, then we don't need to know who is the owner of that file or who is the owner of that document. If everybody has vouched for the ownership that yes, it is authentic, then we can authenticate it using the ring signature. We don't need to ask for who is actually the owner. So it ensures anonymity as well.
Okay, sir. Any questions, sir, from the
Yeah,
listeners?
yeah. So I have a few questions. Like, how does your system leverage blockchain and cryptographic techniques to address gaps in existing identity management solutions? Shall I repeat? Am I audible?
Related work section.
Sorry, am I audible? Is my question clear, or shall I?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we found gaps such as the scalability in a single server to store data is not very feasible for large scale applications, and blockchain also helps us to leverage peer to peer connections. So also with centralized system, privacy is always a concern, which blockchain can help us to address the privacy concern.
So, what makes the combination of homomorphic encryption, stealth address, and the smart contracts technique or smart contracts unique compared to the traditional available centralized systems?
So in traditional systems, first of all, there is no smart contract concept if it is not hosted on a blockchain. So for this kind of document storing, which helps us to preserve privacy, we use smart contracts, and also homomorphic encryption can help us to verify whether the user is authentic or not. The user who wants to access the file is the actual owner of that file or not.
Then, how does your system ensure scalability while maintaining privacy?
So scalability, because even IPFS is hosted on the blockchain. So by storing the files on the IPFS interplanetary file system, we are using blockchain, which allows us to ensure privacy, and also it is scalable because the blockchain is a distributed system. It is not centralized, so it can be scaled with the number of users who are on the blockchain.
So, are there any novel features in user control or verification process that distinguish your system from others?
Sir, in our system, the user does not need to give personal details necessarily, so they can remember their account. But the main way of authenticating and registering is using their MetaMask wallet for now. We'll also look into other solutions going forward. But for now, they will register using their MetaMask wallet, where the hashes will be stored on Ethereum using the wallet.
So, in the PPT slide, you mentioned your results show 95% privacy and 120 milliseconds verification time. So, how do you judge it? Any industry standards? If which industry standards, I would like to know what are the industry standards you are following.
Raghav. Yes.
Should I show the PPT?
No, I am fine. I extracted the information from the PPT itself, Raghav. My
Yeah.
question is like you said some existing is nothing but 400 milliseconds, right? But your system, it's the verification time is 120 milliseconds. So by comparing with what industry standards, you come to a conclusion like our your system is 120 milliseconds and the others is the 400 milliseconds. Is it industry standards or
Sir, we have
just
gone through many. Sir, we have gone through many papers that people have mentioned in their previous paper. We have made an analysis, and according to that, we come to the conclusion.
Mhm. Right. Okay, I'm done with my questions. Any other questions? I'm done with the things.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you,
team
sir.
ID World, for that insightful presentation. Next. Our next team is Ignite uh, from the ISFI University, Raipur, presenting their project Resume's AI-powered personality and resume insight platform. Team Ignite, please begin your presentation.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Let me, my teammate will join 1 second. No?
Please on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Just go with introduction and
Uh,
execution.
yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, my teammate is still in waiting.
Ask them to join. Wait.
Yeah, ma'am.
No one is in waiting list. Ask them to join again, no?
Okay. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Now you can begin your presentation.
Yes. My screen is visible.
Yeah, it is visible. All participants should on their video.
Okay. Start kar.
Good afternoon, all respected jury members. We are Team Ignite. I am Priyanshu Das, and this is Devansh Agrawal. We are Team Ignite. I am Priyanshu Das, and this is Devansh Agrawal. Today we are excited to present Resumes, an AI-powered platform that helps students to just build resume better, but makes better career decision too. Let's be honest, making a good resume is tough. You search for templates, copy bullet points, and hope it looks professional enough. But the bigger question is, what role suits me? What does my personality say about my strengths? Why do interview feels overwhelming? Most of students, especially freshers, feel lost. They just don't need formatting tools, they need guidance. Most resume tools fix the layouts. We wanted to fix the confidence behind the resume. That's why we built Resumes, a platform that goes deeper, not than just design. It helps you know yourself, choose your path, and prep smartly. The solution. Resumex is a smart career tool that combines AI of the empower student. It has resume analyzer, career suggestion engines, personality prediction, mock interview generator, and else. Our goal is to turn your confusion into clarity all in one places. Now it's over to you, Devansh.
Okay. So, okay. So, I'm okay. Uh, so I'm saying with how it works. Okay. So we have used Next.js for the entire building system for front end and back end. Everything is full stack based, and for UI designing, we have used Tailwind CSS and Sadcian UI, and for database and for majorly the main system, the AI system we have used is Gemini AI for
Yes,
all the features.
Devansh Agarwal.
Yes,
If you have
yes,
execution,
sir.
show me the
Execution,
direct execution.
sir, that website.
Have you executed the project?
Yes, sir. 1 second.
Have you executed? Then show me the execution.
Okay, sir. 1 second, sir. Sir, my screen is visible.
Yes, visible.
Uh, So, sir, this is our dashboard home page where user will firstly land on that. And here we have registration feature and login feature. So let me log in with my credentials. Okay. So this is our after the login dashboard, user dashboard, where we have resume analyzer, career recommendation, personality prediction, mock interviews, and my interview sections. So firstly, I'll go with resume analyzer. So here user will have to select their resume in document file. Currently, we have accept only document because we are not able to pass the PDF data. So I've selected my resume, and once I will click the resume analyze system button, the AI will analyze this resume and give me a feedback. So, okay, the analyzation is complete. So AI is giving me resume, my resume insight like my TC score, how is my TC score, and what are my resume's strength, weakness, uh, area of improvement, and resume output. So this is my enhanced resume output. So I'm going with second key feature. That is career recommendation. So here I have to put my name, my tech stacks like I know one stack, I know uh, okay. It has predicted my personality based on my answers. So yes. Okay, so this is my personality overview. We can read this, and this is my strength, area of improvement, career recommendation. It is also giving a career recommendation based on my answers, uh, according to based on the questions. Oh, and the best part of our system is that mock interview system. We have built it for our college, classmates, our college batchmates, teammates, teammates, bandmates, and juniors. So, like, I want a full stack developer. I have currently zero experience. And once I clicked on mock interview, it has created a mock interview. This one is current mock interview. That is one my previous. So once I click on start interview, so here is the best part. We can use our camera, our mic, and once I start recording, it will record my voice. Here's the questions. Next, we have given 5 questions to the user. So here will answer will record, and once if I check the answer, uh, AI will give me a feedback how my answer is correct or how is my answer is will I can improve my interview preparation.
This
So this is the execution and of our system and uh, sir, I'm giving to Priyanshu for further execution. Hello.
is
Yeah, go
Devans.
ahead.
Yes, sir.
There, how you are predicting that personal that resumes like that? How you are predicting? You using that any algorithm in that?
No, sir. I'm using Gemini's AI. AI, we are giving a prompt, fine-tuned prompt, and user answers and questions, and based on that question answer, predicting the whole things.
Okay, what is meant by AI powered?
AI powered means, sir, whole the system is powered by. matlab, we are using AI in every portion, like in resume analyzer, in career recommendation, in personality prediction, in mock interview. Everywhere we are using AI, so we have named it AI powered.
Sir,
Have you conducted any user testing or surveys to validate the effectiveness of the platform?
Yeah, sir, we have tested in our college. We have given it to our faculty members and our uh, other students, like juniors and our batchmates also. So they given a good feedback to us.
So, any strategies have you used to make complex AI concepts which is understandable to a non-technical audience?
In this system or in code parts, sir?
As a non-technical in the sense, this technical things like coding doesn't come into picture. Audience.
Sir, I'm not understanding your question. Like
I
in
mean to
code
say
part,
those who are not so well educated, just basic
hmm.
education and the layman, for understanding them, what are the strategies you have used in the complex AI to make them understand?
Sir, we have currently not done anything like that. Simply, we are building that things only. Like there's so many problems. Like we are also facing problem like in mock interview preparation, in resume analyzing, how our resume is good or not. So we face the challenges. So we build that system.
Okay. How your system handle edge cases, edge cases in the sense poorly formatted resumes or ambiguous user responses?
Sir, all the things are done in by AI. Basically, we are extracting all the data and we build a fine prompt. I mean, we have built a prompt and all the things we combine and give it to the AI. There is a role-based AI system, like system and user prompt system, like OpenAI. So it will handle all the things.
Okay. What AI techniques or algorithms you have used?
We have no use any algorithm.
Okay. Fine. I'm done with this.
Thank you, Team Ignite. Let's give a round of applause to all our participants for their hard work and dedication.
Shall we?
Our next team is coded from Swami Narayan Siddhanta Institute of.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, yes, you can. But as madam has suggested, you
Yes,
divide
sir.
it accordingly. Please go
Yes,
ahead.
sir. Our project is called Spark, which stands for a smart and innovative way to analyze nutrition using artificial intelligence. Sir, the innovatives. Let me explain about the innovative features of this app. First, it uses AI to recognize food from image. Just by clicking the photo, and the app will analyze what you are eating. It gives a personalized food score based on profile. It reminds you to drink water and help to calculate your BMI and BMR. That is body mass index and basal modulus rate. Spark support both homemade and packaging food. In future, we are planning to connect it with smart watches and other fitness devices. The next one, now coming to the creativity and a user-friendly dashboard that is easy to use. You can choose your diet style: vegetarian, non-vegetarian, or vegan. The AI also suggests meals based on your goals, like weight gain and loss. That was an overview of our app concept, features, and design. Now I would like to hand it over to my teammate Aditya and Tushar, who will take you through the next part of the presentation. Over to you, Aditi.
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aditi. So here are the key features that personalized nutrition recommendations. It give you diet advice that's customized just for your body goals and lifestyle. Next is food and nutrition tracking that you can easily keep track of everything you eat and see how healthy your choices are. Next is daily calorie and nutrient tracking that you know exactly how many calories and nutrients you are getting every day. It's health insight. Get helpful feedback on your eating habits to improve your overall health. And it is applicable for all age groups, whether it's kids, adults, and old people. Macronutrient. Okay, so flowchart. This flowchart shows the step-by-step process of analyzing a food image using an application. It begins with the user deciding to analyze a food image. This app greets the user and then promotes them to start the application. Once the app starts, it checks whether an image has been loaded. If not, the user is asked to load an image before proceeding. If an image is loaded, the next step is to check whether the image is valid, meaning it's suitable for analysis, like it's clear or containing recognizable food items. If the image is invalid, the user is asked again to load a new image. Once a valid image is available, the application extracts nutritional data from it. This includes key information such as calories, proteins, carbs, and fat that the nutritional data has been successfully extracted. Now, thank you. I would like to hand it over to my teammate Tushant.
Uh,
So hello, good afternoon. I will now present.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Sir,
Good
this is the
afternoon.
demonstration of our
Yes,
web application.
Mayur, go for execution. Amma.
We
Yes,
are
sir.
going for execution
We
first.
are
Have
going
you
for this.
executed? Go for
Yes.
execution.
Yes, sir.
So this is our dashboard. First of all, let me log out. So this is the main screen where a user has to log in with their credentials. Afterwards, the user has to fill the profile information such as age, weight, their height, their gender. Uh, then the user has to select the goal which has increase weight, lose weight, or build muscle. And user can select their dietary preference such as vegan, non-vegetarian, or vegetarian. So and also we have put no preference. If user eats both veg and non-veg, so he can directly choose no preference. So the AI will suggest it any preferred meal that goes with his diet. And the main feature we have also included here is allergies. So the user can add allergies to it. matlab agar anyone has allergy to milk, so user can directly type it and add it. So it is now currently, I will click on add, and it is added as an allergy. So whenever the AI detects allergens in the meal, the AI will detect notifications and 3 hours according to his needs. So needs. So once the profile is updated, the AI shows the index, which is currently underweight, and which is currently underweight. And the second is BMR, the burning rate of daily calories कितना burn करता है वो. The next is daily
5 into age plus 5 for male body, and for female 10 into weight plus 6.25 into height minus 5 into age minus 161. This is formula of BMR. In shortly, this is Mifflin minus Joule equation.
Mm. Yes, sir.
now,
Vijay Krishna, sir.
sir, just one section is remaining. Should I explain?
Yes.
Okay, so the inside features is there where user can track his history. So here here user has consumed some amount of almost 500 to 500 amount of calories, and here he has 1050 above calories consumed, which is today, and this is from Wednesdays. So make a to make the user more attracted towards the application, we have implemented a calorie target feature. So just like a streak method, so user can get the tailored streaks on it. See, if he completes the calorie target for 2 days or 3 days, there will be a calculation over here. So 1/2 or 2/3. So from the day of registration, how many days he have completed the calorie target. And last feature is daily average and target. So daily, how much the user is consuming, and what should be his target, it is shown, so user can understand and take the meal according to this. Thank you.
Yes.
So, how was the tech stack like React, and Node.js chosen?
Yes, sir.
What advantages does it offer?
Tushan, please explain your screen.
Yes, sir.
Shall I repeat? Okay. How was the tech stack, which is nothing but React?
Tailwind CSS for the UI component. We have used TypeScript because TypeScript is usually fast in calculations and backend operations. We have used Supabase as a database, which stores the user's data and the recommendation, and we have used super-based integration over here. So user can only we have only their hashes over here, which as we have used sharp 256 algorithm over here, which as we have used sharp 256 algorithm to store the user IDs. And also in the database we have, okay, also in the storage bucket we have used a meal images bucket. So we are currently resolving this. User can actually see these images over here. So we have testing method for the testing mode. We have publicly shared publicly stored the images, but when the we will public this application, when it will be available for the public, we will encrypt the images as well.
Right. Right. Okay,
Okay.
thank you. I'm done with my questions.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Should we leave, ma'am?
Thank you, Team Kore. Our next team is Prime. Our next team is Prime from Gator Institute of Engineering and Technology, Science Peak. Begin your presentation. Team Prime, begin your presentation.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, James.
Directly proceed with the execution.
Okay.
Yes, Vishnu. Vishnu, am I audible better?
Yes, ma'am.
Make sure your presentation should
Am I
complete within
audible?
5 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Start better.
So, so project is basically Science Peak, which connects a bridge between the people who are impaired with like speaking and hearing abilities to connect with whoever they want to communicate with. There are so many bridges to like connect with in the sectors of education, healthcare, public sector, and even like speaking in home. So we have prepared interpreter using Raspberry Pi. So Vishnu will explain the.
Actually, we interface Raspberry Pi with TensorFlow and CV, ma'am, so that we capture certain images and feed it to the TensorFlow. It will certain data type and follow the uh, CNN model. So on panel, so we can use uh, sign.
So our applications is basically what they said. It will connect the impaired and visually impaired and hearing impaired people to the outer world, and it will ensure the better communication since they can't communicate directly. And in this world, not everyone knows the sign language, and our project will be a bridge and a better product to connect the people to connect the both sides.
So as Vishnu said, we have used OpenCV, TensorFlow and Keras library and using machine learning. We have built a data set. We have used American Sign Language and we have built a model which will interpret the signs shown, and the input is the sign shown by the affected people, and then it is captured as a video or webcam used by the other person, and then the image is captured as video, or the image is sorry it is captured as video, and then it will be processed by the model to and either display it as a text or converted to speech.
Screen when the code is running and the images is collecting from the through webcam. It will send it to a data set. It will stores these kind of data. We need to label it for the data set and to feed the CNS model so that we can get an interpretation.
Yes, how we are using these in hospital and healthcare, these models.
Sir,
How you are using this model in hospital and healthcare.
sir, I couldn't hear you, sir.
Huh?
You can use it in health.
Okay.
So healthcare basically when the patient is impaired with these abilities, they cannot communicate their problem directly to the doctors and get a proper solution, right? So for that, we can use it will act as a box.
Here already so many are
So
available.
basically,
So many are available. This kind of model. What is your unique feature in that? Is there any
Sir,
unique?
we made it in compact method, sir.
What is that compact method?
Just we need an Raspberry Pi and a monitor to interface, sir, and a webcam so that doctors can interface these and can capture their sign language and can understand their needs, sir.
Okay, okay, sir. Sir, Vijay Krishna, sir.
Yes, sir. So, are there any key features of this one to enhance user experience?
So actually, we having an idea to convert the interpreter in different kind of languages. We are working on it, sir.
So, how the tool handles variations in sign language?
sir,
How does the tool handle variations?
Sir, we can freely work in them, sir,
Okay. And
by
any
using neural deep learning, sir.
okay. While using this, should the audience be aware of any limitations or assumptions?
No, sir. We didn't have any limitations.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
we'll be learning their sign language and we'll be communicating through our product.
Okay.
Communicating through our product.
Okay. I'm done with my questions.
Okay, Vishnu. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next,
Thank you, Team
then to
IoT.
you, Vishnu.
Thank
Next
you.
team.
Next bunch.
from Dr. D. From Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology from Pune. Team IoT Inspectors, are you there? Ritisha, you are from which team? Hello.
Yes, my
Hello,
team.
Ritisha.
Next team.
Amma, if they are not ready, you call other batches students.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, please unmute. 18 months. Our next team is Hardcoats from Yeshwantrao Chavan College of Engineering, Nagpur. And their title is Biometric Authentication and Smart Helmet System for Preventing Underage Driving and Ensuring Safety. Team, please proceed. Outside Guru Nanak Institute.
Coach from YCC Nagpur, and as we all know that road accidents are increasing day by day, and the major contributors are underage riders. Also, we all are aware of a highlighted case of Porsche car in Pune from 2024, where a minor who was from 2024, where a minor who was from YCC Nagpur, and as road accidents are increasing. Am I audible? Hello. As
Yes,
we
Amma,
all
you are
know that
audible, but
road accidents are increasing day
where
by
is
day.
your PPT? PPT or not there? Or execution? Show me your execution.
Kalash, proceed with the execution.
Start with execution.
Proceed with the execution.
Start with execution.
Okay, so as we all know that our main aim is okay, so our main aim is to prevent the underage driving. For that, we will fetch the data from the cloud, and depend upon that it will grant the access. For that we have, so since our local database still is in progress, we have enrolled some of the fingerprint to demonstrate how the our system will work. So this is our system, in which we have enrolled some of the fingerprints. So I will share the screen. So this is our code for the detection of the fingerprint. So our first condition, if the user is authorized and above 80, then the green LED will glow and it will give access for the ignition of the vehicle. So when we detect the fingerprint, it will grow the green LED, and it will, as we can see on the screen, it show the user is registered and authorized user. So, and the next condition is, so if the user is detected as a underage, then it will glow the yellow LED. And the last condition, if the user is not, it will detect it as a unauthorized. For that, if the fingerprint will scan, so it will glow the red LED and it will not grant access to the vehicle. And from the screen, you can see that it shows that user is not registered.
We can proceed for
indicators or ignition lock.
So we see for that all the condition we have included that LED, so that every condition is working or not. So it is our not fully developed system. So when the underage will be detected, it will not grant access for the vehicle. Like it will not proceed further conditions.
basically ignition switch won't start if it is underage, 18 or below 18.
Okay. So any false positives or negatives in fingerprint or helmet detection?
No, sir. Since our system is not fully developed, so there is not that much of cases.
Actually, our main aim was to integrate it with Aadhaar card, but actually Aadhaar data we cannot access it, right? Only who is working into bank, they can have the access of Aadhaar data. So for that, to create a replica of it, we are creating a local database. It will be for domestic use.
Then the security compromises. There is a chance of compromise of security if you are using a local database. Right.
It's for deploying these concepts, how much cost it will take? Is
Since
for
now we have, for that we 5 to 6,000 we have required for all the hardware components. But in the next further process, maybe it will increase some of the, but it will cost around up to 10,000.
okay, okay, right.
Team is Entropy from Acropolis Institute of Technology and Research from Madhya Pradesh, and their title is Vrinda. Team Entropy, please proceed.
So remaining members are coming. They are joining the meeting. So we will start in 5 minutes.
They will join, but you start the presentation.
Okay, ma'am.
because it's getting too late. No, so you start the presentation. They will add. Okay.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Presentation, there is window. 2 minutes.
Directly proceed with execution. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
I'm going
Yeah.
to
So,
Yeah, you
ma'am,
can proceed.
since we are using an IoT and it is having an app, so since we have to share the screen of app, what it is telling.
All right. So Yatharth, have you shared the screen yet?
Yeah.
Yeah, your team is here now. Please hurry up.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sure. We'll conclude in 5 minutes, definitely. Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Vidit, and we are Team Entropy from Acropolis. We'll jump into the problem statement. The problem statement that we are encountering is related to agriculture. Am I audible clearly? Please
Yes,
confirm
yes,
anyone.
we did.
Yes. So, upon researching comprehensively, we deduced that there are majorly three problems that we want to solve. Starting with first and foremost in the agriculture is the soil health. In soil health, there are macro and micronutrients, and we focused on the micro ones, including nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Adding to that, the soil moisture and the pH scale of the soil, that is acidity or basicity. So first up, I would like to introduce you that the solution for this maintaining the soil health and further solutions, we realize that for farmers in India, it is necessary for us to build an app instead of website, so that it will be a portable and handy solution for everyone to use. So I'll straight jump into the product that we made, that is our app. Could you please share the screen, Yatharth?
Okay. Is screen visible?
Not yet.
Okay, sir.
Um till the time he's presenting, I would like to further explain that in maintaining the soil health, our vision was in two phases. Uh, First, including the we wanted to make a kit that is easy to share the app screen, please.
App screen, okay.
Yeah, yeah. So and please change the slide to the system architecture. Yes. For the first part, as you can see in the slide, in the topmost left corner, in the system architecture, you can see that we wanted to make a DIY soil health kit. The soil health kit will comprise of multiple sensors that can assess the soil health nutrients for the soil. We wanted to make it as economical as it can be. So, Yatharth, please show the kit that we made. You can see on my framing, it is a very handy, easy to use kit. On that kit, you can see there are two switches. Upon switching on those switches, uh, a light shows that the kit is ready to use. There, as you can see on the upper side of the kit, there are five pointy pins coming out. These are the pins that you need to insert into the soil. and the kit will assess the soil nutrients. But this is only the first part. The second part begins in the app screen. So please, can you move to the app screen? As also shared by Yatharth, you can see the first welcoming page of our app. The app name is Brinda by the team Entropy. The first onboarding page asks you to choose your language. We have allowed multiple languages. Let's say English. We'll continue. Further, the app just lets you know about all the basic introduction. Yatharth, please, can you log in further for us to see the home page? What we visioned for this complete product, that when we get the readings of the soil health kit, we wanted those to use for us to understand that what could be the ideal soil health parameters, reaching from current to the ideal, what suggestive measures do you need. So to achieve this, we used multiple techniques, including an LLM by Gemini 2.5 Pro and a self fine-tuned that also suggests you what kinds of fertilizers and what kinds of different pesticides you can use. So as you can see on the app screen, we have this home page that shows you whether your soil health is good or not. And as we have multiple further features, Yatharth, please scroll down, including weather and sensor readings. Yatharth, slowly please. And you can see the farming updates, like different things that we've put. There are
Yes,
extensive multiple features. And
Vidit
now,
Sharma.
yes, sir.
It's Vidit Sharma. Here, what is that uncontrolled pest outbreaks?
Sorry, sir, can you repeat, please?
Uncontrolled pest outbreaks. What is that?
Sir, by uncontrolled pest outbreaks, we mean when the soil health is not optimum for the crops. It means that the environment for pest increases in your farm. So,
How can you say that whether it is optimum or not? That soil.
Sir, I'll show you quickly the demo. Yatharth, please click on the AI part of the app and just show how we can get the readings for the sensor. So, sir, as you can see on the app screen, we have multiple options on the bottom, including sensor data, search, and a plus option. When we'll click on the sensor data, Yatharth, please do it. Again, please. A bottom sheet appears. This bottom sheet just conveys all the parameters that just my soil health kit tested in a test soil. All these parameters are then sent to the chatbot that we trained specifically for this, and suggests how we can make the soil health more optimum with easy to do steps that farmers can easily understand. When good soil health is constantly maintained, this pest outbreaks are easily maintainable. Another thing that we would like to quickly demonstrate you is that what if, let's say, another problem statement that we got in research, that in your farm there are multiple pesticides and you are not able to get what kind of pest it is, because solution is seriously dependent on what kind of pest it is. So we decided, what if you can take a picture of the pest, insert to the this AI feature of our app, and instantly the app lets you know that which pest it is. Yatha, can you please quickly show the demo? As you can see, he just selected uh, a photo of a beetle. Uh, Yes. So, my mistake. It was a mixture of an ant, and as you can see, we trained a YOLO V8 model. We researched across all the data sets of pests available on the internet, and we decided on the 12 most major pests that affects the crops and multiple farm elements, and we trained a YOLO V8 model on the basis of that to quickly identify and classify what kind of pest it is, and on the basis of that, it suggests the required solutions for the respective pest. Sorry, sir, you are not audible. Hello.
Vijay Krishna, sir.
Yes, sir. I have quickly, very
Sir.
quick questions with it.
Yeah.
Like how your approach makes combining real-time pest detection, soil health monitoring, and smart irrigation easy?
Sir, we realize that in today's world, multiple solutions are available for an irrigation and pest control. We wanted to make a system that is integrated for all these three. So our USP majorly is that for pest detection, we made a image classification model on ourselves. It is not an LLM or a API based thing. Our data set is the USP for that.
So
Moving
you
forward,
have to prepare. You mean to say you have to prepare it or available?
sorry, sir.
You have to prepare it, the system or approach, or it is available.
Sir, we created it on our own. We knew that there were 10 to 15 different data sets available, and we pre-processed it to get the best images possible, and then trained our model on the basis of that.
Okay. How you will integrate satellite data and predictive AI to enhance the system?
Sir, that is a good approach, or a good field to explore. But personally, we think that introducing satellite or drone and more expensive things to economical farmer's daily life, it will create eventually more problems. But moreover, just for the sake of it, we can say that images from satellite need to zoom very minute details, as pests are very tiny and minute. If, let's assume, a good picture is also achieved, then in that case we have multiple solutions, including several AI features and image recognition system. Adding to that, we also wanted that our app is totally voice based, so we have multiple voice based options that can totally ask you for that lets you to speak that to the app in most simple ways and get the work done. Moreover, I would just like to show you there in the bottom base of our app, there are multiple other features, including analytics of the complete soil health that you can check. That please scroll down. So let's assume in future we incorporate satellite data, we can easily analyze it to the core and in depth.
Got your point with it. Yeah, fine, fine. I'm done with my questions.
Sir, is there any other feedback that we can include in our app so that for future we can launch this product easily?
With it, okay, it's okay. Very good. Nice project.
Okay.
Okay, thank
Thank,
you.
Thanks.
thank you so much,
Bye.
sir,
Thank you,
for your
sir.
time and for your feedback. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, Team
thank you.
Entropy. And we Aero Squad from St. Joseph's College of Engineering, project title AI driven multi-purpose drone revolutionizing emergency response and search and rescue. Team Aero Squad, please proceed.
A very good afternoon, sir.
On your video. No need of PPT. Please proceed with the introduction and execution, please. You have time limit of 5 minutes. Please complete your execution in the time limit.
Good afternoon, sir.
Please go ahead.
from St. Joseph's College of Engineering, to present our innovative project on behalf of this grant project. So we call it as an AI revolution multi-purpose drone, a solution which is built not just for the skies, but for saving lives and delivering hope when it matters most. So let's imagine a world where drone is not just a machine, but a rapid responder in times of crisis. That's exactly what we have envisioned, sir. So a drone, we are focused on three main problem statements. So first of all, we have considered drowning as our first problem statement, sir. So WHO, based on its report, it have told that almost 7% of the unintentionally caused deaths are occurred due to drowning. So it's almost 2,36,000 people per year. So we have taken this on account, and our drone tries its level best to satisfy the need of the emergency management. And secondly, we have considered the problem statement of missing children in crowded situations. Like in crowded situations, we often face situations where a lot of people tend to lose their lives because of missing cases and all. So even this has resulted in 7% of death cases in overall in India in the last 2 years. So we are brought up with a single solution, which is a multi-purpose drone. So firstly, a drone tackles and faces, so it has some self-inflatable life tubes. With help of detachable arms, it just focuses on serving self-inflatable life tubes when people are in need of some rescue. So the accuracy of this life tube is very specified. So at the case where the coastal areas, some people, when they are drowning, they need some help, it just finds the location and reaches the spot to deploy life tubes. So we can find the
Ritisha,
victim.
Ritisha, yes, Ritisha, if you
Yes,
have
sir.
execution, show me that execution.
So we have a video of a drone deploying that. Can I
Yes,
show it?
so
1 minute, sir. Is my screen visible, sir?
Yeah, it's visible.
So lastly, we have taken a drone to a coastal area and we have tried doing it. So this is a clipping of that.
Ritisha, please on your camera.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay.
Sir, is the video is playing in your side, sir?
no,
No,
not
it's not.
playing.
Oh.
Is the video visible, sir?
No.
Sir, in Vinod Niya's presentation, Ritisha, you kindly stop the presentation from your end. So actually, basically, we have the life tubes hanging in the drone, sir. But we are planning to in future to deploy multiple tubes to have the higher precision, sir. So we will be developing the self-inflatable tube, which will be automatically self-inflated while deployed in the sea, sir. So we will be having higher probability to save that victim, sir.
Okay. Maritation, suppose some
Yes,
individual are missing, then how
yes,
we are
sir.
going to search, which algorithm you are using for searching that?
Sir, you in further we can use some geofencing techniques to locate the person such that if a person is drowning, it will be the drone can automatically locate the spot and reach that place and deploy self-inflatable life tubes, sir. So this
We will
saves
set
a
an
lot of.
emergency line, sir. Like with the help of the geofencing will act as a
So,
radar
sir,
actually.
we need to search, no? We need to search the images. We need to
So
search the images, no? All images.
no, sir, no images. We do not need any images, sir. If some objects is just passing through that emergency line, we will be known some living thing or some object is being passed. Then the drone will be immediately will be deployed. Even if there is we can't confirm it whether it is a human or something a mammal, but we will be confirming by deploying our drone, sir. Then in drone we have a FPV camera and it identifies by AI and ML camera. With the help of that camera, we will be identifying the person is drowning or just swimming in the case. So if the person is drowning means the drone will be automatically deploy a stack of life tubes one by one precisely around the victim, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, rejection, sir.
Yeah. So how scalable is your solution different from emergency scenarios?
Okay,
Sorry,
sir.
sir.
How scalable is your solution for different emergency scenarios?
In emergency scenarios, we are just tackling in the coastal regions, sir. So in coastal regions, if a person is drowning means it will also deploy, and if any case if a person is missing in a crowded places, we will be also identifying the person by matching their faces. Actually, Ritisha, kindly show the workflow of that project.
And how does the drone handle obstacles like strong wind or poor visibility during rescue
Yes, sir. We
missions?
have a inbuilt gyroscope meter, three types of sensors, sir. So it will be automatically adjusted to it, sir.
I understand, but suppose a person is droning over them and there are high, strong winds, then it will be difficult for the drone to move over that to particular location.
So you can actually see in that video how precisely in that winds are. Actually, it is far from. We didn't have the permission to fly it in that ECR bit, so we went deep inside, like one end of the ECR, sir. So in there we have lots of wind speed. So in that wind speed itself, we have tackled more than 80% of the stabilization, sir.
Okay, fine. I'm done with my questions. Thank you.
No, thanks. And this is the workflow of the complete prototype, sir.
Yeah.
And we are planning to add actually a medical kit, sir. If anyone being needed an emergency in that beach or in coastal regions, anyone have that medical emergency means we will be deploying it to the persons who are acquiring, sir. And also we have that planning to deploy an organ from hospital to hospital with high end security, sir.
Okay.
Sir, actually, we have done with our first problem statement. So, a drone can actually identify missing individuals in crowded situations, sir. So we have uploaded it with a YOLO algorithm, which is connected with an AI monitoring system. So when a person enters into a crowded situation, we'll have some photo booths in which the images of the persons will be recorded. And then later, when in the crowd, we get some messages like a person is missing, we pass some query to the AI monitoring system, which is connected to the drone. So it just gets to locate the missing person with the help of 360-degree data set, which is generated by the image of the person, which is uploaded to the query. So with the help of that, first it identifies whether the missing person is a male or female. So it almost reduces the search time by 50%, and then it just locates the exact person in the crowd with the help of pointing them with the help of locating the x coordinates and y coordinates. So it just enhances the efficiency of the search and rescue operation through easy identification in very less time, sir. So this is the second proposed solution of our multi-purpose drone. And as he said, thirdly, we have implemented it with logistic and medicinal supply. So in case of difficult terrains like flooded regions and all, a drone just tries its level best to transport medicines at the earliest possible time. Also, in case of organ transplantation, these types of drones can be used. um, yeah, that's the solution we have implemented, sir.
Done. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Ritesh.
Thank you, sir.
Next team is Gayatri. Next team.
Sir, 2 minutes. If they are not responding in 2 minutes, we'll end the event, sir.
Till now, how many teams? 9 teams are completed.
Yes, sir. Two teams are disqualified. The two
Okay.
teams are not responding.
Okay.
We sent a message in the group. If they respond within 2 minutes, we'll take, sir. If not, we'll disqualify them.
Okay. Okay. Right. Right.
Sir, Lalu sir. Now with that, we conclude the project presentations for Virtual Vista 2.0. We would like to invite a few participants to share their experiences and thoughts on this competition. Raghav, please share your experiences and thoughts on this competition.
Is Gautami, are they responding or not?
Hello. Sorry, sir. Actually, network was down. You called my name.
Yes, Raghav.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry, the network was low. That's why voice was fluctuating. Yeah.
Okay, kindly share your experiences and thoughts on this competition.
Ma'am, the overall experience was very amazing and it was very insightful. Means बहुत सारी चीज़ें learn करने को मिली and it was very good interacting with new people from different states and overall it was really good experience.
Thank you, Raghav.
Thank you so much.
I now welcome our respected academic expert to share their thoughts and insights. Mr. Bilalu, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you. Good afternoon to one and all. Respected external jury Vijay Krishna sir and our faculty member Pooja Kulakarni ma'am and my dear students. Today we have evaluated that 13, not 13, 19 projects out of 13 we have evaluated. All the projects are very good and innovative. But my suggestion is that here, when you are going for the project presentation, you should consider some important things like define, determine, and uh, deliver. Right. So here, in case of define, you have to plan your analysis. You have to be clear the value and your insights, and also we have to create a hypothesis and visualize your analysis. And in case of the determining doing your analysis, you collect, clean, and stay connected and analyze your whatever that insight. And here in case of delivering, you have to communicate with the others. Here prepare a clear insight and message for your audience. And here anyhow that I appreciate the creativity, effort, and innovation demonstrated by all the participants, and the diversity of ideas ranging from cutting edge technology solutions to socially impactful projects, and reflects the deep thought and commitment each team has invested. So, as a jury member, my role was to evaluate the based on the criteria such as originality and feasibility, presentation, clarity, and potential impact. So, while it was challenging task to choose the best among the so many deserving projects, so it was also a fulfilling experience that gave me a glimpse into that bright future of innovation in our country. I encourage all the participants, whether you receive award today or not, but to continue the refining your ideas and seek mentorship and take your projects further. Competition like there is just a beginning of a much larger journey. So here I wish you all the best for all the participants. Participation is the more important. Either your success or failure, but even if it is failure, also it is just the stepping stone of your success. I wish all the best. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes. Uh, Next, sir, we can share your thoughts and insights of Vijay Krishna, sir.
Sure, sir. First of all, I would like to congratulate GNITC for conducting such a good conference, so national level, and I have seen that 14 states across India have participated, with roughly around 164 teams and 452 participants. And the shortlisting of the things, which seems to be very good and beautiful, where I have gone through the 13 teams, right, which was given to our panel. They are divided in the form of a panels part.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Yes.
with different platforms and different technologies, and shortlisting was a very good. Actually, the team, I would like to appreciate the team who have shortlisted the things, and the organization part, as well as giving the time slot, and evaluation part. Everything was very good, and very happy. Like from the industry person has been invited to the academic activities, and this helps us to provide our services. So I'm thankful to the Guru Nanak institutions. Uh, all the best to all the participants.
Thank you, sir. As we approach the end of this extraordinary event, it is time to acknowledge the efforts and contributions that have made Virtual Vista 2.0 a resounding success.
Okay.
A
Thank
resounding
you, Aman.
success.
Thank you.
To extend our heartfelt gratitude to all those who have been a part of this journey, I would like to invite Ms. Pooja Kulkarni to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. As we draw the curtains on this inspiring journey of innovation and learning, it is my honor to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of the organizing committee of Virtual Vista 2.0, the national level online project competition hosted by IEEE Computer Society at Guru Nanak Instant Technical Campus, Hyderabad. First and foremost, a heartfelt thank you to our esteemed judges as academic expert, Associate Professor Mr. Lalu Banatu sir, and industrial expert Mr. Vijay Kumar sir generously shared their time and insights. Your thoughtful evaluation and encouraging feedback have added immense value to the participants' efforts. To all the participants, thank you for showcasing such brilliant ideas and technical expertise. Your passion and creativity made this competition a truly enriching experience. To our organizing team, your dedication behind the scenes efforts and seamless execution ensured the success of this event. Let us carry forward the spirit of and collaboration that Virtual Vista 2.0 has celebrated today. Thank you once again, and we hope to see you in the next edition. Thank you, one and all. And
Thank you,
finally,
ma'am.
I want to conclude one more. Like from our Department of CSE, we are organizing NCFT National Level Conference for student in the month of May 2025. So very soon we'll very soon we'll forward the brochure in this group. Please, if maximum number of papers we are accepting from the students, please try to send the papers to our conference. Thank you. Wishing you
Thank
all
you,
the best.
ma'am.
Good luck.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, Ananda.
I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all the participants for their extraordinary efforts, to our judges for their valuable time and insights, and to our organizing team for making this event a grand success. And a small reminder regarding the feedback form, I would like you all to take some time and fill the feedback form that is being posted in the group. Thank you, everyone, for joining us today. We look forward to seeing you again next year. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.